Okay guys, welcome back to this platform. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 7,000 naira in within a week, guys. So just watch the video to the end and I will show you how everything is done right here, guys. You might have seen this pure network intel in so many videos on YouTube, but in this platform I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 7,000 naira within a week. So just watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step that I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, if this is your first time seeing my video on YouTube, please kindly smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you won't miss any video when I drop it on this channel, guys. So with that being said, let me show you how to register and the packages they have and the best one you need to go for. So guys, so let's dive into the video. So click on register. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface right here. So once you click my link, you see this interface. You click on first name, last name, put in your username, put in your password, your email and phone number. As you can see they have three packages: the ultimate cycler, the pure post, and the MLN, which is also known as the multi-level marketing package. So this ultimate cycle, this is the one I'm going to be talking about. But this pure post, you can check my previous video, I have done it, or you can check this video up here that is showing on the right of your screen. You can click on it to see how the pure post works and how you can earn with the pure post. But for this video I'm going to taking you through this ultimate cycle package. So once you are here, you put in the ultimate cycle package, then you put in your skill. Select any skill, it's not compulsory. You're putting let me say organics, or just for graphics. You put graphics, then you put in your account number, you select your bank. You can see this is the bank they support, this is the bank you can withdraw to. So you put this coupon code, this is what you are going to be paying for, this is what you are going to be paying the 3,000 naira for. To get this coupon code is 3,000 naira. So if you want to get it, you message me with the number you are seeing on your screen. That's my WhatsApp number. You just need to message me on WhatsApp. Then once you pay, then I will connect you with the vendor. The vendor will send you the coupon code, and you will complete your registration. Once you have put in the coupon code, you click on I have read and agreed to terms and conditions. Click on sign up. So let me just log in and show you how my dashboard looks like. So as you can see, this email right here is for my pure post account. Then this second one here is for my pure ultimate cycle. So let me log into my ultimate cycle account. So you can see right here, you can see welcome. So this ultimate cycle, let me show you how it works. You can see you have two method of earning on this ultimate cycle. This is your earnings and your network points. You can see on my earnings I have about 10,000 naira right here, so I can withdraw this my balance, this thing right here, this 10,000. I can withdraw it anytime I want. So let me show you how the earnings works before I go to the network point. So on this earnings, once you register, they will give you 7,000 naira. So once you receive the 7,000 naira, your name will be on my list. You can see your team members. You can see these three persons are on my list, and this is the first person, Emeka. This is the first person on my list, and you can see 0 count. Once it gets to 3 counts and his name is no longer in my list, I will need to message the person and I will tell him to go and withdraw his 7,000 naira ASAP. I don't even need to refer anybody, and this thing will take about some hours and days for him to get to 3. Then once he has done that, then withdraw 7,000 naira. That's just it. So this second person will now move to number 1. So once he also gets to 3, I will contact him. The guy will go and withdraw 7,000 naira, and the same thing goes with this number 3. Once she gets to 3 points, you can withdraw ASAP, so without referring. So let me show you how to also earn with the network points in case you have not gotten to this number 1 yet. So you'll be earning from your network points, and you can withdraw your network points once you get to 15,000 network points. And once you register, you will get 2,000 network points as a welcome bonus. So once you have done that, you will need to click these 3 dots for you to complete your hours. Once you complete the hours, view the hours, you get 450 naira on your network point. So what you have to do is to click on view ads posted. Once you have done that, it's going to show you some different posts every they have posted. So this is the post for today, because you'll be getting a new post every single day, because I'm recording this video at the time of 1st of November, and this is the post for November 1st of November. You can see post at 1st of November 2022. So once you have to complete it, you have to click on this image, click on the image, or click on this name right here. So once you have done that, it will take you to this place, and you see like post. Once you click on this like post, that's just it. You have gotten your 450. You click on these three dots, you click on profile, then you see that your money will be added to this network points, and you can withdraw these network points when you get to 50,000 network points. So you can withdraw it straight to your bank account. So this is how it works, and this payment, this 3,000 you are paying, is just one time payment. So once you withdraw, you still continue to earn the 7,000 naira, and you still continue to earn your network points. It's just a one time payment. So this is how this platform, this ultimate cycle works. And guys, if you can refer though, for example, you are the reason why if you want to refer, if you want to cash out your 7,000 naira once, you can see this person in is position number 3, and if the person wants to come to number 1, you need to refer like 3 people. Once you refer 3 people, she will be here number 1, and she will have 3 counts, and she will be having 10,000 naira as well, and she can withdraw that 10,000 naira ASAP. So and she will still be earning. So that's how this platform works. It's very easy. So if you have any question regarding this video, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can just ask me on my WhatsApp, and I will be there to give you the right information and also the right answer. So this is how you can also get your what's it called, your link. Copy your link if you want to refer. So you copy, then you refer, then that's just it. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, please kindly smash your subscribe button on the post notification, and also don't forget to join my WhatsApp group for free and paid updates, guys. So join my WhatsApp group for free and paid updates, and also you can also make money online, guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. And don't forget to check out this video, pure post, how to earn on the pure post package. Be all for this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.